Handa na ba kayong malaman kung paano ko nakapag-save ng 100,000 in just 2 months? Yes, previously guys, I've been saving my savings goal and saving challenges. And if you can remember, I believe that was in March that I have achieved the 100k savings, which you can by the way watch on this video link in the For today's above. Video guys, I will be sharing my ultimate saving strategy that will inspire you to achieve your savings goals. I am super excited to share with you yung game-changing plan that will help you reach your savings goals faster than you ever thought. I know that every salary, every person, and every amount of expenses, especially on a monthly, differ from each of us. But let me help you guys to be inspired, give you some ideas, give you some insights on how I really did. Now, this is not to brag, disclaimer lang, I don't want to brag. It's just wanted to give you an idea on how I exactly did it and how you can also fulfill this kind of savings goal. So let's dive in with step number 1, guys. Before anything else, before you dive into saving, you must first understand your money flow. Know your money flow. It is always my tip number 1 to know where your money is going out. That's why I have this monthly budget planner. I have this budget finance tracker that I'm always sharing with you guys to write down what is my expected expenses each paycheck. No, I have this down what are for the grocery, for my personal allowance, for the school stuff, and different kind of categories. So you must know where your money is going and how much you are spending each of the category. I know that it's pretty basic for you when you hear it, but when you do it, an actionable steps in doing and following what my tip number 1, it will change how you look at about your finance. Aside from knowing where your money is going, know how much you are earning. So let's say for example you are a minimum wage earner. So where does that 10k each paycheck goes to? I'm not really sure how much a minimum wage earner are receiving right now, so I can't speak for themselves. But let's say for example you are siguro you're earning on a bi-weekly kasi dito sa Pilipinas we all know we're earning 15 and 30 most of us. So I'll give that as one of the examples. So let's say for example you're earning 10k or 7k for the 15th and 7k at 10k or 10k on the 30th. So let me ask you, for that 7k, where is it going? What are you spending? Why the 7k is wala, zero in terms of before your next paycheck is coming? So you must write it down. You must know how much you are spending on specific categories. Just like me, guys. For an example, I know my budget is for the grocery 2k. Actually, previously, I have that budget for 1.5. But after a few months, I've realized 1.5 every paycheck is not enough. So I increased my budget to 2k na naman. So having or knowing where your money is going and how much you're earning is very crucial so that you would know how much you can save. Now, let's say for example, you're a minimum wage earner. It's really impossible to save. It's really impossible to set aside for savings because kulang na kulang pa nga. That's where the step number 3 is going to, step number 2 to fall in, which is to boost your income with a side hustle. Or aside from having a side hustle, go for a job that has a bigger income or a bigger salary, guys. I'm just listening my audio here, and if you find it not in a better quality compared to my previous video. I'm really sorry, guys. But please bear with me because I'm just new in doing this voiceover using my computer, my headset, and my microphone. Please do comment down below if you feel that it's not in the good, you don't like this kind of audio, you prefer the previous one, so that I can make an adjustment for you guys. So yun. Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to use since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video. So going back on step number 2, to boost your income or palakihin ang income, I do believe, guys, that whatever you are earning right now, if it's minimum wage earner, I believe you that you cannot save anything from that. Not unless if you are not eating na, no, or if you are someone that very tipid. But in all honestly, having a minimum earning salary, it would not really enough for these days na talagang sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin. So you need to boost your income aside from getting a side hustle, side business, sideline, side jobs. Probably you have to look for a different company that will pay you much higher. But how are you going to do that? You need to have a skill set. You need to have a set of skills and paying you higher amount. Now, let me tell you, why does artista or like yung mga doctor or let's say lawyer, why are they earning so much? Because of their skills, because they have that knowledge, they have that not aside from the experience, they have set of knowledge and skills to do such a job. They've paid so much for their studies to be able to learn to be a doctor, to be a lawyer. Not only that, they have spent so much time in reviewing to get that degree, to get their license. Pero bakit malaki pa rin yung sahod nila compared sa mga normal na manggagawa? Well, I'm not saying na dinadown ko yung mga normal na manggagawa, but what I'm trying to say here is that yung normal na mga manggagawa, they can do normal jobs. Normal jobs that can siguro I can say could be done easily. So what are those? One is labor or factory worker, right? I think my term is not, the terminology is not good. So let's say, for example, they are not easy job. Okay, not all the job are easy, but it can be done by most of the people. Yes, most of the people, guys, and they're being paid for a normal fee compared to high paying salary like managers, like doctor, yung mga na-example ko dito. So how are you going to add a skill, or how are you going to increase your salary by accepting or by having a good paying job? Well, you have to invest in yourself, learn, study. What do I mean about this? Well, I can't elaborate, but that's the message that I wanted to tell you. Of course, can't dive in more, but siguro with the job itself, you need to earn more and have a job that will pay you a bigger salary. Then if it's not, then maybe we have to go for a side business. We need to double the job that we are doing right now. Just like me, aside from a full-time job, I do have a side business. I'm doing a side business with my friends, and that's where I was able to save up 100k, guys, because aside from a full-time job, I'm earning bonuses and commissions. Not commissions, bonuses, guys. I'm adding another source of income by going into business with my friends. I'm looking for, like, I've been selling stuff online, so that's another sideline. And aside from that is I'm always leveraging myself in creating opportunities for myself. What are those? Now I'm entering to an event, social media creator. It's if you wanted to know more about it, you can search it. It's all over in the YouTube, guys, in the videos. So I'm adding a skills to myself to offer opportunities, more income. That's one. Yes. And so aside from that, that's why hindi ako nagbe-base on my salary itself. I have sideline, I have side business. I'm earning quarterly, and whatever I've earned from that, hindi ko siya kinakalculate or being part of my monthly expenses. I'm setting aside for that as a savings, and that's how I was able to save up the 100k in just 2 months. Now, a piece of advice, if someone of you would come here and tell me, you're just lucky because you don't have a kid to watch over, you are not a full-time mom na may dapat iwanan sa mga baby, there's a lot of opportunity for a work from home or a full-time mom. There's work from home jobs. Being an ESL, that's one. ESL, it depends on how on what time would you be opening your time. Online selling, being a TikTok affiliator, although you have to learn stuff, guys, you have to learn how to do these things. It's just the same thing if you're going to apply for a work, a new job, and you don't know anything yet, but you will be trained in doing the job. The difference is that you get paid for being trained, and with this ESL and with the TikTok affiliate or being an affiliator, you cannot earn right away. You keep learning. Siguro depende kung gaano ka kagaling magbenta sa TikTok, then you're good. That's one of the extra. I've earned 3k extra from the TikTok affiliate previously. I believe yung na-earn ko in 2 months, if I was recalling my income at the time, I've earned 4k extra, and that's a huge amount lang, guys. Posting videos in the TikTok, and well, it's a huge amount for me to earn. So I think we're gonna stop here. That's my tips on how I was able. Guys, those tips are very crucial because I wouldn't be able to save that much without doing those step 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't be able to save this much if I don't have a discipline and money managing. And I've been doing this cash stuffing videos, cash stuffing planning, budget planning for the last 2 years. And if you're new to that kind of stuff, I believe this is not just going to be a one step and you can be able to do it perfectly. I've done this for 2 years and it wasn't easy. The journey wasn't easy, guys, especially that I'm being overwhelmed of how small my income was. If you can recall in my previous videos, I'm earning 10k for bi-weekly, so that's small amount, guys. I'm earning 20k every month, and now how much I'm earning plus my sidelines and side jobs. So I was able to do it by following those steps. So if ever you feel that you've learned something new in this video, guys, please comment down below, I've learned new today. That's it. And if you like this video, if you like me as your speaker, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share these videos, like, share, share it with your friends and families who need this kind of content, because reaching out by liking, the algorithm will increase display my content to those like you that are relevant to my content, guys. And I'm able to build a bigger community if you can like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. And that's the goal of this channel, not only in my own financial journey but also with your financial journey. So that's it. I will see you in our next video, guys, and bye bye.